Alright, here's I have a problem with my '07 Sienna, and that is that the driver's side aft sunshade has come off its roller. And accessing it, you think you could just pry out the panel. It doesn't work. What you do is you have to pull away this whole sidewall panel, which is connected with automotive push-in fasteners, little plastic expansion fasteners. There's one right there. And they're pretty good quality. I managed to pull the panel away without breaking any of them. So once it's away, okay, the actual screws that hold it on, these bigger black screws here and down here. And here is the green automotive push fasteners popped out. Here's one that the green part remained with the auto frame, so I got to pull that out and reset it before I push it back in, otherwise that part won't fasten. So what I found is it didn't come off the reel. Here's the reel, or the spindle. Instead it tore. So this is a problem. I could try duct tape repair, basically. It would look really cheeseball. Or I could check out this part number and see how much that costs. And I just checked the online price for this part. It's $162. So the winner is duct tape. There's the tear. I'm just going to fold this flap over, and hopefully it might be the part of the shade. I haven't seen that tear, so it might be part of the shade that remains below the trim line of the car, and it won't even be noticeable once I reassemble. Okay, and this is the sunscreen in the up position. There's how much of the duct tape shows. So not perfect, but it's better than spending $160.